pressure reducing station, PRS, or pressure reducing valve, PRV, assembly used in plumbing, HVAC, fire protection, and industrial piping systems. Below is the technical full description and function of each component shown in the diagram backhand index pointing down. 1. Inlet. Function: this is the entry point of high-pressure fluid, water, steam, air, or gas, into the PRV station. Technical note: the upstream pressure must be stable and within design limits to ensure proper PRV operation. 2. Pressure gauge, upstream. Function: measures and displays inlet, upstream, pressure before it reaches the pressure-reducing valve. Purpose: helps in monitoring supply pressure and diagnosing system issues. Typical range: depends on system, e.g., 10 to 20 bar for steam, 5 to 10 bar for chilled water. 3. Strainer. Function: a mesh filter that removes dirt, rust, or solid particles from the fluid before it enters the valve. Purpose: protects sensitive equipment like the PRV from blockage or damage. Maintenance: regular cleaning of strainer basket is essential. 4. LPD, low pressure drain. Function: a small drain valve used to release trapped fluid, air, or for maintenance purposes. Purpose: ensures safe draining of the line during shutdowns or repairs. 5. Isolation valve, upstream. Function: a gate or ball valve used to completely stop the flow before the PRV. Purpose: isolates the upstream line for maintenance or replacement of components. 6. Pressure reducing valve, PRV. Function: the core component of this assembly, reduces high inlet pressure to a steady, lower outlet pressure. Working principle: uses a spring and diaphragm mechanism. Adjusts flow opening automatically to maintain desired downstream pressure, even when upstream pressure fluctuates. Applications: domestic water systems, steam systems, firefighting lines, HVAC chilled water supply, process piping. 7. Isolation valve, downstream. Function: another shutoff valve located after the PRV. Purpose: allows for isolating the PRV without affecting the downstream line during maintenance. 8. Pressure relief/safety valve. Function: provides safety protection for downstream piping. If pressure exceeds set limit, e.g., PRV failure, the relief valve opens and discharges excess pressure. Application: mandatory in steam and high-pressure systems as per ASME/IS/ASHRAE codes. 9. Pressure gauge, downstream. Function: monitors reduced pressure after the PRV. Purpose: ensures correct PRV setting and system performance. Helps detect overpressure, PRV failed. Underpressure, blockage or misadjustment. 10. Bypass line. Function: a parallel pipe connecting the inlet and outlet, bypassing the PRV. Purpose: used during PRV maintenance to keep flow running. Provides manual control if PRV fails. Also useful for flushing the system. 11. Bypass valve. Function: a manual valve, usually globe type, installed on the bypass line. Purpose: controls flow through the bypass line. Should normally remain closed and only opened for maintenance or emergencies. 12. Outlet. Function: point where fluid exits the PRV station at controlled, reduced pressure. Technical note: this connects to the downstream piping network, e.g., HVAC AHU coil supply, building water distribution, etc. Typical flow direction. Backhand index pointing right: inlet pressure gauge, strainer isolation valve, PRV isolation valve, relief valve, pressure gauge, outlet. Bypass line runs parallel with its own valve. Applications of PRV stations. Small orange diamond HVAC systems, chilled water, condenser water distribution. Small orange diamond firefighting systems, pressure regulation between main supply and hydrants. Small orange diamond plumbing, domestic water pressure control. Small orange diamond industrial plants, steam and compressed air pressure regulation. Small orange diamond district cooling plants, balancing network pressure. Commissioning/maintenance checklist. Check inlet pressure matches design. Clean strainer before startup. Verify PRV set pressure using downstream gauge. Test bypass valve operation, normally closed. Check pressure relief valve setting and discharge line. Inspect for leakage at all joints and valves. Calibrate pressure gauges periodically. This assembly ensures safe, reliable, and stable downstream pressure and protects equipment and pipelines from overpressure damage. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing with ADN Max, your trusted source for MEP and technical knowledge.